Hello guys, Edwin here. Today I'm going to be talking about Cysic. Cysic zero knowledge hardware starter aims to provide hardware acceleration solutions for zero knowledge proof protocol. Cysic team developed a FPGA prototype of multi-scalar multiplication, which is an important component with ZK protocols. So how much have they raised? They raised a total of 18 million US dollars, and here are their backers: Hashkey Capital, OKS Ventures, and Polychain Capital. So here are the lead investors right here. Okay, you see Polychain is backing them, so it's a good project if you see Polychain or Hashkey or even OKS backing the projects. So they currently have their testnet phase 3 live, and we can go ahead and interact with the testnets for potential rewards. They are also live on Kaito, and make sure you join my Telegram. I'll be dropping the details about their Kaito campaign. Okay, so what do you have to do? Visit cysic.xyz right here. I'll be leaving all the links in the description below also, so don't worry. Right when you get here, click on get started. So right when you get here, what you have to do is connect your EVM wallet, which is your MetaMask, and your Kepler wallet. Make sure you download this on the Chrome Web Store. And yeah, you need a Kepler wallet and an EVM wallet. You can use OKX, MetaMask, or Rabi wallet. Okay, I suggest you use Rabi wallet for the best experience, and Chrome browser or Brave browser or any browser of your choice. Okay, that doesn't matter. So right after signing up, you can go ahead. You'll be asked to input a name. You can go to your user portal to check that out. You'll be asked to create a name for yourself. Okay, come here, you create a name for yourself. You bind your Gmail, you bind your Twitter account, and you bind your Discord account. Make sure you do that. Don't forget this. Okay, the site is a little bit buggy. Okay, so you're going to be facing a little bit of issues, but don't worry. Just keep on trying to interact. Okay, to work out. You see, it's working bit by bit. So go ahead and create your name. Are you DeFi Edwin? So we agree to the user terms. Let's go ahead and set our profile picture. So right after setting your user profile, you can go ahead and, like I said, just bind your social account. Make sure you do all these, guys. Don't forget to do this. It's mandatory. Okay. If you're going to bind your Twitter account, try to use your main Twitter account you are going to be using for yapping, which is the Kaito yapping. I'll be dropping the details in my Telegram channel. Make sure you join that one. Right after completing your user profile, click on this facet button right here and claim testnet tokens. You can see I already claimed some few hours ago. I'll have to wait for 22 hours to claim testnet tokens. So make sure you claim this every single day. Okay, you need 0.5 to run your node. So right after claiming this, you wait for another 24 hours. You come back right here, you claim. Okay, make sure you are claiming every single day. Right after claiming that, you can go to the social task. Go to your social task and complete all these tasks and end points. You end point for completing this task right here. Okay. But this is going to be kind of hard if you're able to stick this right here, which is very hard to stick. So right after claiming your facets and completing the social task, you need to head to your profile once again, click on user portal, and you scroll down. Site is a little bit buggy. You scroll down right here, click on convert. So here you are going to be converting your CYS facet to CGPT. I don't know why my facet is not showing though, but this is it right here. So right after converting this, you need 0.5 to stick. Okay, 0.5 to stick, and you need 0.5 CYS to also run your node. So right after claiming, so that's like claiming for 5 days. Don't forget to claim your token for 5 days consecutively. So right after claiming here, you can go ahead and convert your tokens and you stake them. Okay, you'll be earning points for doing this. So you go ahead and close this. Right after converting, you click on stake BGPT right here, and you can go ahead and select your validator. If you are able to convert, you're going to be seeing your stake amount here, and you can go ahead and stake right here. So I have to be claiming. I just started the testnet today. I'll be claiming for the next 4 days to be able to stake right here. So you can also go ahead and unstake. I don't know why the my amount is not showing on both the convert and the stake, but I'll be reporting that on the Discord. Hope they get it fixed soon. So that's it for the staking, and you can go ahead and run a verifier node or a prover node. For the prover node, I suggest you leave it, but focus on running the verifier node right here. Click on the verifier node. Okay, you see you need 0.05 CYS to run a node. So what, to become a verifier on Cysic ZK, you need to reserve at least 0.05 CYS as collateral. Cysic will oversee verifier action, retaining this collateral if any irregular behavior occurs to protect Cysic ZK operations. So guys, don't try to transfer from another wallet to your wallet. Make sure you are using your own wallet to claim the testnet tokens for 5 consecutive days to run your node. So you can go ahead and, but I don't have the fastest right now. Okay, I need a fastest. So you can also download the verifier node on your phone. You can go ahead and install on Linux. I'll be making a guide on this. Okay, if I get some time, I'll be making a guide on it. This is free to run. Okay, you can also go ahead and run on Windows. This is all free. Okay, you need less than 1 GB RAM to run it, and less than 10, okay, 10 GB storage minimum to run the verifier. You can download it on your phone, your Linux, your Windows, or Mac OS. So right after doing everything I said, make sure you share your invites codes to your friends. Okay, make sure you share it, and there is a limit to every invite. I think 50 invites is the max everyone can get, and this is very good since influencers won't get an upper hand. Okay, everybody's working for himself. So I think that's a very great idea. Make sure you share your invite codes to your friends and tell them to sign up. Okay, they raised 80 million, which is a very huge amount of funding. And yeah, they are on Kaito, and they've allocated a very huge number of their total supply to almost all Yapes. Okay, I'll be posting that in my Telegram, like I said. So after doing all this, head over to InfoStones right here and purchase a node. This isn't mandatory. Okay, this isn't mandatory. If you have it, go ahead and purchase. Okay, you can go ahead and apply the coupon they have right here. Okay, this is their coupon. Just follow them on Twitter. You'll be getting what's 5% off. Okay, so that's it. And this is not mandatory. You can run the node on your PC. If you can keep your PC on for a very long time, you can go ahead and run it. Okay, so here is how you purchase the node. You go ahead and click on launch node. You go confirm. Make sure you connect the same wallet you've connected to your Cysic testnet. Okay, make sure the wallet is the same. You connect your EVM wallet, not the Kepler wallet, but your EVM wallet. So you come right here. I want to purchase with crypto. Note that before you run this node, you need to accumulate a total of 0.05 SYC facets. Okay, I'm doing this for the sake of the video, so my audience get to know how to purchase this. Let's go ahead and click on wait. So you need to accumulate 0.05 CYC to run the node. Okay, if you don't have it, you won't be able to run the node. So make sure you accumulate the total testnet token. That's 5 days. So you're going to be claiming for 5 days. Okay, to run the node. I want to use I have money on my Arbitrum. Let me go ahead and use Arbitrum, connect my wallet. So right after connecting your EVM wallet, pay with USDC. I want to use Arbitrum since Arbitrum gas fees are very cheap. So go ahead and purchase your node right here. Confirm in my wallet. So confirm your wallet and you are good to go. So our payment was successful and we can go ahead and check right here. So it has to okay, it has been confirmed and let's wait. So you can see I just purchased my node and I'll be leaving my link in the description if you want to go ahead and buy right here. So you can run the node without buying this, okay? But that one you have to keep your PC on every time and run your YSL distribution every single time, okay? But I suggest purchasing the node for maximum uptime. This thing doesn't go offline, okay? So let me see if I can launch my node. Okay, this is purchasing another one. So we've purchased it and it's ready. You can go ahead and renew your purchase. I just bought 3 months, right? So I just bought 3 months. So I just purchased it, but the node is not running. The node is not running because I need this 0.05 CYS to keep it running. So I'll have to accumulate that in the next 5 days. There's a guide here if you want to go ahead and run the node, which is very easy. I'll be leaving my links in the description and everything. If you didn't understand anything in the video, make sure you go ahead and comment below. Join our Telegram, which is very mandatory. Okay. I won't say it's mandatory, but it's important so you don't miss out on updates. I post on my Telegram every single day. I update my members every single day. So that's it for the video. That's all. Make sure you complete your tasks. Connect your wallets. You need Kepler wallets. This is Kepler wallets right here. And EVM wallets. EVM wallet is a MetaMask wallet, OKX wallets, Ethereum wallets, Rabi wallets. Okay. So yeah, that's all for now. Also, for the last thing, let me add this last thing. So Cysic is also on Kaito, and if you know Kaito, they've been rewarding a lot of creators. A whole of I think ending of last year. So now people have been winning on Kaito like crazy. So just post about them on X, be consistent. They've allocated 0.6% of their CYC mainnet token for creators. So all you have to do is connect your account to Kaito. Okay, I'll be leaving the links in the description. Connect your account to Kaito. Start posting about them. Just post about Cysic. Look at the allocated 0.6 to reward early yappers and 60% to all Cysic yappers. Yes, so everybody is getting parts of this 0.6% they allocated. Okay, 60% of this 0.6 is going for every creator. Okay, so we have to get this. So we have to get into this and start creating content. Okay, over 10,000 people have gotten in right now and they are yapping like daily. People are yapping consistently because Kaito is paying really well. And if you know you can create content, just get into it, get into X, start posting about them. Okay, just come to yaps.kaito.ai. Okay, connect your X and start posting. Top 500 will get whitelist for Compute 5. Okay, so try your best to get into the top 1,000. Just post daily. Okay, I'll be doing this and I'll be running the node and completing their testnet task also. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Join our Telegram. Peace.